Hey tech lovers! Apple finally made a MacBook most people can afford. The MacBook Neo. But the 8GB RAM might be a deal breaker? Let's break it all down. Let's start with its great price for your budget. The MacBook Neo is Apple's newest entry-level laptop designed to make the Mac ecosystem more affordable. Starting around $599, it's the cheapest MacBook Apple has released so far, which is a big deal for students and casual users. Apple finally made a MacBook you don't need to finance for 36 months. Fast enough for everyday work? It runs on the A18 Pro chip, the same processor used in iPhones, which is powerful for things like web browsing, office work, streaming, and light photo editing. Apple claims it can be up to 50% faster for everyday tasks than some Intel Core Ultra laptops. Your laptop is now powered by a chip originally meant for your phone. Technology is weird. What about its silent operation? The MacBook Neo has no fan, which means it runs completely silent, perfect for libraries, meetings, or pretending to work in a cafe. It's so quiet that you'll occasionally wonder if it's working, or just meditating. Solid battery life? The battery life can reach up to 16 hours, which is great for students or travelers. You could probably survive a full day of classes or work without charging. Your battery might last longer than your motivation. When it comes to its premium Apple design, despite being cheaper, it still keeps Apple's classic style. Aluminum body, 13-inch liquid retina display, magic keyboard, large trackpad, and fun colors like silver, indigo, blush, and citrus. It's the cheapest MacBook, but it still looks like it owns a yacht. Yeah! Let's talk now about negative points and quirks on this laptop. To keep the price low, Apple removed several things. No MagSafe charging, no Thunderbolt ports, only basic USB-C connectivity. Apple trimmed features like a barber on espresso. Only 8GB RAM, no upgrade. The laptop comes with 8GB unified memory, and it's not upgradable. That's okay for everyday use, but limiting for heavy multitasking, video editing, and professional workloads. Open 37 Chrome tabs, and the MacBook Neo might file a complaint. When it comes to its limited ports, you only get 2 USB-C ports and headphone jack. Apple believes minimalism builds character. Overall, the MacBook Neo is basically for student, beginners, and a budget laptop for everyday use. Great for students, basic work and browsing, and Apple ecosystem users. Not great for video editing, heavy multitasking, and professional creators. So, if you enjoy this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for weekly content.